This is Matt, and this will be a video on how to download the AE app. So the AE app, the electronic arts main downloader, we can get it for PC and Mac directly from this page. I'm on the main downloads page here. Now the URL is this guy here that I'm highlighting on the screen. It's a bit of a tricky URL, so I will put that URL as a link in the video description just below this video, so you can just click on that link and wind up here, and you don't need to go searching or anything like that. So from here, very simple, this black and white button, download the AE app. We can get this on Windows and Mac. We click here, and that will take us down to near the bottom of the page. Download the AE app. Now we've got a Windows version or a Mac version. So if you're on Windows, you would select this version, of course, and if you're on Mac like I am, Mac OS, you would click this version, and you see the icon fly up, which is a universal symbol on the Mac, that has in fact downloaded. Now, depending on the browser that you have, I have Google Chrome, for example, on this Mac, and it goes directly to my downloads folder, all of the files and folders that are saved from this browser. Now, depending on your browser and your configuration, your downloads location might be different, but you'll find the installer there and just follow the process. That's the easy bit. So hopefully you have found this video on how to find and download the AE app useful. If you have, drop this video a like and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this.